Hello, student. I am Jenny. First, let me welcome all of you to the video. I know you are so excited to take this journey together, step by step. At the end of this course, you will be able to design beautiful web pages using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Sounds strange? Don't worry. You will learn everything from a very basic level, and you just need good attention, commitment, and passion to learn these technologies. First, let's look into understanding the basics of networking and the term WWW, or we call it the World Wide Web. With that, you will be able to describe what is the Internet and the World Wide Web, including the fundamentals of those. Before starting, let me ask this question. I know every one of you uses the Internet. You are learning this course via a website, which is www.youtube.com. Also, you might be using other websites like Facebook, Instagram, Wikipedia, and many more. So, what do you think? Is the term Internet refers to the same as World Wide Web? Note down your answer, and I'm excited to see what you think. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to check whether you are correct or wrong. Internet, we use for entertainment, work as well as learning. For example, we can watch movies and listen to songs on the Internet, for entertainment purposes. We can use Google Documents, an online text editor, to manage or work. Also, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Outlook are some other examples of Internet tools people use for their work. Moodle, the platform you are using now, is an Internet tool that you can give us an example for using the Internet for learning. Also, YouTube, Google Search, and Wikipedia are a few more to that. Can you list down your top 10 websites you visit on the Internet and group them into those 3 categories we described? Try to identify whether they belong to entertainment, work, or learning. Remember, some websites can belong to multiple groups as well, like YouTube, which you can use for entertainment as well or learning. With that simple activity, let's start to understand what is the Internet. I asked this question from some students, and they gave me these answers. Can you see some familiar words there? But these are not describing what the Internet is. However, these are some related terms going with the Internet. So, what is the proper answer? The Internet is simply a big network. Network as in, a massive interconnection between millions of computers, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. Therefore, simply, we can say, the Internet is a huge network that connects computers and other smart devices all around the world. So, how the Internet is built? Well, it's a big topic to discuss. But as beginners of web designing, you need to know the basics well. As you already know, the Internet is a huge network, and computers and other devices are interconnected. So how are they connecting together? Simply, in 2 different ways. Some devices connect with wires. Others connect without wires, which means wireless. Think about how you connect to Internet. Maybe through your mobile phone data connection, then it is a wireless way. Some of you might be using a wired Internet connection like ADSL copper lines. It's the other way. But this is only the first level of the Internet. There are a lot of other hardware devices involved, such as routers, switches, repeaters, modems, and more. Another important thing to remember is that the Internet is not built 100% with physical network devices, but there are also some software layers. One best example is web browsers. Most of the time, you can't access a website without a web browser on your computer. So remember, the software is playing a big role in building the Internet. I will include some further reference materials for you. If you are interested, please check them to understand this more in detail. Okay, now you know what the Internet is and how it is built. But what about World Wide Web then? World Wide Web, simply we call it WWW, is actually a part of the entire internet. I can say it as WWW is a subset of the internet. Subset means a part of something bigger. The internet is the big thing here. It provides all the infrastructure, and WWW is using those infrastructures utilizing the internet. Think about any website. www.youtube.com is a website that runs on the internet infrastructure. So it is an example of WWW. Likewise, you can name many web pages and web applications that you know as examples of WWW. Now, before ending today's video, the answer to our question is it the same as the internet and WWW? No. These are two different things. Actually, WWW is a subset of the internet. Curious to know more about how the internet works? When you type a website address like www.youtube.com in your browser, how does that website load to your computer within seconds? That is what we are going to learn in the next lesson. So, check out the description panel of this video and get reading materials and other resources and get ready for the next one. I wait to see you soon with the next lesson.